Hey guys, so it's time here to unbox the Oppo Find 7. So let's just do it pretty quick here. So I finally have it. So this is the package. Nice material. Oh, is this in the wrong side? Find 7. Yeah. But this is the phone right here. Let's see, it probably should be on this side, but I did open up a little bit earlier. But this is one of those phones that has a very good quality, which is nice. We do like premium smartphones. So put it up here, take off the front side or front plastic, and wow. It definitely feels super premium. Let's see here. So you also get a very nice package here. And some instruction things inside of this one. Pros and manuals and such. Very nice cable thing here. Now this one is not gonna work for me because I don't live oh wait a sec. Yeah, this is for like US or something, I think. Or Korea or something. But I just have to use another one. But you have another cable here. Very nice, like Apple design almost here on the package. And then you do get some in ear here, which looks like they have a pretty nice design overall. Wow, very nice. You also get some more extra earbuds here. So let's take a look at these. I gotta say, pretty cool, unique design, and you also do get this one here. And a little button. But of course this is the main piece here that's interesting. Speaker down at the bottom. Wow, I do really like this design. You can see this one is going up a little bit here, down at the bottom, and centered here. Very nice. And overall feels pretty premium. And I really do like this one, as I said there. So just a quickly unboxing of this guy, and I definitely will check it out more in upcoming vids. But let's just also boot it up here a little bit quick, or let's see the startup screen. Maybe it's dead from, maybe it needs to be charged. Maybe it comes with no power. Kinda looks like it. So I probably have to charge up this little device. Also very nice design up here. Let's do one final try. Yeah, it's probably just empty, but yeah, quickly unboxing of the Oppo Find 7.